Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my DIY videos. So this is like a little reading station that I built with my collapsible trays, well, box I should say, and I did use this fur rug. I need to sweep that off. But anyhow, today I'm gonna be DIYing this, what's it called, this wine stand, this cute little wine stand that I purchased like ages ago. It's been in my storage, haven't used it in years, so I thought to make it pop a bit more, I will spray paint it in that brass gold paint that I have left over, and then just put my wine on here. I'm not a drinker, guys, to be honest. I'm just a social drinker, so if I haven't been out in months or 3 to 5 months, I don't even take a drink to my mouth. Well, alcohol beverage I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and spray paint this as well. So I will be back with the final look. Okay, so the spray paint I will be using is the Krylon Color Max Focus Paint and Primer Metallic Gold. It wasn't the right spray paint color I was looking for, but I just want to still utilize it because I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm going to start the spray paint. Excuse the background with the breadfruit leaves, guys. Guys, so this is the finished product. I think this looks perfect with my little wine, guys. I buy wines but I don't drink them really, and I did print this off my computer. It's kind of like a sketch, like a fashion sketch, and I put it in a black frame, and I think this is so beautiful. It represents kind of my dress code, so it's from classy to chic to formal. Yeah, pretty much me. But anyhow, that's the finished product with this beautiful stand right here, I should say. It's beautiful. So until next time, love you guys.